Ka Sorkar Jala kalapan kre ban penlong ya ka Umiam kum Kiwei ni ki Jaka Nongwankai bakan sai ban penpau shaka perthei khnang ban kringi ki Nongwankai suari shaka Jala katanat khlau ka Jala kala menjur ban ai ka Jaka ka bahe laispa akar shaka Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation khnang ban penlong ya ka Jaka ka biang na dong shadong kat kum ka jingong menteri katanat Nongwankai perthei ubak polling do nakate ka Jaka en pen kre ru bandan ka helikopter bankit iki Nongwankai ki bakwa let shaka thain Sohra shan New Shillong bat sha Kiwei ki Jaka kala don ru ka jing pen kre ban pen khilong biang ya ko pung Umiam ka balat na ka jing jabo knam bakan pen hun ya ki ba wan kai ha ba ki yo mat ha ka te ka Jaka
meeting. This was more of a PowerPoint presentation organized at the instance of the Chief Minister, where we have a very ambitious plan to redevelop the entire Umiam area, parts of which are now with tourism MTDC, parts of which are with Forest Department. So there's a very ambitious project to expand the MTDC, the units of the MTDC, probably introduce more facilities, more entertainment zones, and also upscale the present accommodation facilities available with Orchid Lake Resort. So we have made substantial progress in the sense that the Department of Forests has indicated its willingness to part with about 300 acres of land for facilitating the growth of tourism in that particular hub. And we would like Umiam to be a major tourist attraction of not only Meghalaya but also the entire northeast. So based on that presentation, we will now, the departments concerned have been asked to finalize the rest of details, and in principle we have agreed that we will expand Umiam as a tourist hub of the state of Meghalaya.
What sort of activities and infrastructure?
These will include all activities, especially water sports, for instance. Then there'll be activities for tourists so that they do not confine themselves to their hotel rooms. There'll be walking space in and around the Nehru Park. There'll be facilities for children. Basically, adventure sports will also be encouraged. Then we are also thinking in terms of having, entertainment, water sports entertainment, and such other facilities. We are identifying those activities. You have to look at it this way. The moment we push for tourism to grow as a vital sector of the economy, then it only makes sense that the road sector should also get more attention. And one reason for the road sector to grow would be because we are pushing tourism to grow, and therefore they cannot lag behind. So that way we will be motivating the growth of the road sector. And also we know for sure that there are challenges like the traffic situation in Shillong, which is why now we have the decongestion plan. The decongestion plan happens because we need to ensure that there is better flow of traffic within Shillong city, otherwise tourism will suffer. So they are all interconnected. We will be infusing a lot of capital into reviving the lake. In fact, we are thinking in terms of even having helicopter services connecting Umiam with other tourism circuits within Meghalaya. For instance, Umiam to New Shillong to Sohra, like that. So once these are connected by air, we will also be attracting high-value tourists who will spend more, and the footfalls will be less, but the spending capacity will be more.